Now that we know the types of polygons, we can start naming some of our common polygons by the number of sides. So first thing we're going to do is we need to know how many sides there are. So let's go through and list off the number of sides. Here we've got 5, 6, 7, 8 sides, 9 sides, 10 sides, not 11, but this one's going to be 12. I had to count it a couple times to make sure. So now we can go through and name them all. So first up, we've got our old friend, the triangle, which I always have trouble spelling. Then we've got this one in particular, we could call it a square, but it's actually going to be a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Next up, we've got the familiar government building of the Pentagon. Next, something we worked on looking at some of the area and surface area, we've got a hexagon. Not to be confused with a hexagon, but a heptagon. And another common one that we should know, especially if you've been driving or ridden in a car, but we have an octagon, much like our, helps if we spell it right, much like our stop signs. 9 sides. So now we're going to start looking at some shapes that we are not necessarily as familiar with, but this is a nonagon. Our 10-sided shape, that's going to be a decagon. And 12-sided is our dodecagon.